conference will now be recorded.
Edit it, plus view on YouTube channel. So once if I click on the option, edit title and description, download. So once if I go back here, you can see other videos are it is in the public and some videos which has a copyrighted. So now it says that it has been drafted. So there is no restrictions. Again, if I scroll it down, if I go to the shorts, now where you can see shorts which has been in the public. So when we have uploaded, how many views, the comments, so how many likes we have, 100%. So once if I scroll it down, where I'll be getting more the options. So you can see this and all is a video which has been uploaded. So now here you can see 1 out of 30. So how many videos we have uploaded. So all this information will be given. So again, if I come back, if I just click on upload the video, then select the files. So once if I say open, okay, so let it get processed. Okay, so now you can see how many seconds of this video is. So now if I wanted to make some changes, so here I can modify the things. Okay, so where I can replace my title. So now if I just click on the next, so once if I play, this video will be acting on that YouTube channel. So if I click on the next, where you can see a video, add the subtitles, add a end screen, so add the card, all this information is where we are going to give it. Okay, so video elements is nothing but where we use the cards and end screen to show the viewer related videos what we are going to give it. Let's say that I am running a YouTube channel, so once they play my video, next video also they should be able to use it. Okay, so next here, if I say add, now here you can see upload the file. So type manually. So what are the options you want? You can make use of it, or else we can just click on the next option. So next, if I come down, so no issues found. So this is the first thing where we have to check. We will check your video for the issues that may restrict its visibility and make sure that we don't have any problem with the video. Sometimes we do take the videos of other person that will be copyrighted. They will claim it. We're not supposed to use the other videos over here. So once if I click on the next, so now save or publish. So I told you in the previous section when we started it, it's all about you want to use it in the public, or it might be as unlisted, or it should be a private. So only you and people choose can watch the video. Unlisted means anyone with the video will link watch your video. So this is up to you. If it is your YouTube channel is in the public, then we have to set the time. So once we set the time, it will start running on the things. So now for the time being, I'll keep it only for the private. Only for the private. Later on, I can make the changes. So once we click on the save, it will save the video. I can copy the link, save it. So it will start with the process. Okay. So once if I go back to the video, we are not placing the shots. It's a normal video what we have been given. So now here you can notice it is in the private. So if I just click on this, where you can see anytime we can keep it as a public. So when we go live to watch on the people. So February 19th. So February 19th, we have uploaded the video. There is no view, there is no comments. So again, if I scroll it to the shorts video, where you can see the views over here. So other videos view. If I click on the next option, see, so like this. So again, if I come back, now in the left hand side, where you can see there is a dashboard. So once if I click on the dashboard, which gives you the clear information how many subscribers we have. Like for example, channel analytics, current subscriber. So once if I scroll it down, where you can see latest YouTube short performance, like how many people has watched. So what is your ranking, average percentage. So once if I scroll it down, published video. So again, if you come back here, recent subscriber, so latest post. So post is nothing but like how you post it in the Instagram saying that we are going to reveal the video or what is going to coming up with the next. So those things also we can do it in our YouTube channel also. Okay, so again, if I come back over here, now active copyright strikes. So sometimes if I have uploaded with other videos, in that cases it shows you like this. So again, if I just click on this option, now you can see here there is analytics on this video. If I want to see the analytics, that particular video, it will show you the analytics over here. So now this short has gone 1539 views since it has been published. So again, if I click on the reach, how many people do watched. So now where you can see date wise, it will show you. Wednesday, December 17, what time, how many people started watching this. So according to that, it will show you the options. So again, if I go to the engagement, so engaged views, unique viewer, and then we have watch time hours, how many hours the video has been watched. So again, if I go to the audience, where you can see unique, based on that video, one person has been subscribed. So where you can see the analytics. So now where you can see one more option called as the which is relevant to that channel. There is one more video. If I click on it, it will redirect to that particular. So that you can link the video according to that it will be published. Okay. So again, if I come back, if I want to see which is the more views has been gone to that particular channel. So again, we'll scroll it down. If I click on it, your channel. So once if I click on your channel, so now shorts. So I'll show you which has gone more views. So main thing when you're uploading any video in the YouTube channel, make sure that cover page matters over here. Why cover page matters means by looking at that, the people will come and see your videos. That also matters over here. Plus giving a title and what is the description and what is the hashtag you're going to give it. So usually what we do is we do give it as a trending video, shorts, like for example viral videos. So relevant to the video, what the topic you're going to give it, like golden fish or breakfast. So like that we have to give it. So now if I take this video, So we'll back with the studio YouTube channel. See. See, if I click on this, so analytics, if I click, here you can see this short has gone 1761. So now by using that, 5 subscriber has come. So once if I click on the reach, where you can see traffic source. So they are used with the shorts feed. Feed is nothing but the hashtag, whatever your people are going to give it, YouTube search, channel page, hashtag, browse, and others. So now where you can see where we have a YouTube search term, how they're going to search. So again, if I scroll it down, the traffic has come through the WhatsApp, Creator Studio, Instagram. So if I posted this relevant content over there in my Instagram, by seeing Instagram also, people do watch on my YouTube. So now you can see 13.7 hours. That is usual time where the people started watching the video. So audience. So where you can see relevant views also. Okay, so you can run on a dummy YouTube where you can see how we are going to upload all the things. So is that clear?
This conference will now be recorded.
So next is it's YouTube marketing. So in YouTube marketing, what all we have learned, it's all about the platform overview. That is nothing but how YouTube works. How YouTube works. So next is what? Channel creation. So channel creation is what? How to create a YouTube channel. Okay. So then it comes for the optimization. So optimization using proper title plus giving your description. Okay, and then we are concentrating on the tags also. So next, where if it comes to the editing, what are the tools we can use it, like for example TubeBuddy, and then if I'm user friendly with Canva, so those things we can make use of it. Next we talk about the trend is nothing but, as I told you now, where we have to use the shorts videos plus trending topics. That is very important over here once we are using on the YouTube channel. Okay, so you can even relevant to the video or creations better to understand. It's all about the name, what you're going to give it for the YouTube channel, and the cover page, what you're going to set it. Okay, next one is we have done with introduction to SEM. So SEM is nothing but it's a Google Ads. So Google Ads, if I talk about, as you know that what is the full form of SEM. So it is a search engine marketing. Okay, so search engine marketing where it is running on paid ads on Google to show business. So to show business on top page. Okay, so SEM will be there. So next is what we have come across with Google Ads. So Google Ads we have completed with search ads. So Google Ads is nothing but which appears when people search something in the Google. For example, if I say best NICT near me or best institute near me. So like that, how the people search on the Google page. So as I showed you how to make use of it. Once we go to the Google Chrome, there I will search for computer education center near me. So once if I click on it, where you can see NICT. So then we have a different institution followed over here. Again, it comes to the just style. So once if I click on it, which will redirect to it, where I can see all the relevant information on that particular. Plus, I'll be having the ratings, what is NICT, all those things. So again, if I come back over here, Popular Computer Training Institute also, we have it over here. So this is the what we call it as the Google Ads or search ads. So ads that appear when people search something in Google. Okay, so for example, if I say if someone searches best computer education, best computer education near me. Okay, so then you will be having your ad appears. Okay, so again, if I give the same prompt over there, copy this. So here I'm going to give it search. So where you can see where I'm getting one more option called as a sponsored. So sponsored is nothing but, as you know that, which is paid one. So if I click on the paid version, it goes to that particular option. Okay, so once if I say sponsored, it is a paid one. If I click on it, it will go to the relevant. If I click on this, it comes to the institution relevant. Okay, so next one is what? Now it's clear about the Google Ads. So next, there is an option called as the Google Ads on display. So Google Ads, display ads is nothing but image, for example, image ads shown on a website, apps or YouTube. So I have showed you how to search for the things. Suppose if I click on this, so now here you can see there is option called as a sponsor, like based on the WordPress. So whatever I'm seeing over here, some recently what we have watched. So according to that, it will display here. So again, if I click on this, it goes to the WordPress. So welcome to the world's most popular website using the WordPress. It is a sponsor. Same thing, once if I am using on any, so if I say NDTV, so now if I scroll it down, where you can see in the right hand side, it says that advertisement. So it is clickable ads. So now where you can see, again if I scroll it down, see, this is also running on an ad. So now here you can see, it's all about the ads. So this and all, it's a paid. Once if I click on it, where you can see masterclass on spring trending. So I'm getting all the informations. Okay. So Google ads, display ads, which will display as image ads shown on websites. It might be through apps and YouTube. Okay, so this is how it will display. It is clickable. Next one is what it's we have learned about introduction to content marketing. Okay, so content marketing, which is useful to create attractive customers, for example, blog posts, videos, social media. For that purpose, we'll be using this. So till here, is that clear?
This conference will now be recorded.
So what all we do create in the content marketing? So creating useful content which will attract the customers. So that will be the blog post, videos plus social media post. Okay. Next one will be content marketing. So content marketing is nothing but where we have to create a good content. So good content, what all it includes with simple language, where the people will understand what we are trying to convey the message. So where that should be a clear message and that should be helpful. Information should be given, and then that should be attractive. So attractive images should be there. Okay, so then we have done with email marketing. Okay, so email marketing is sending proportional emails onto the customer. Like for example, what all we do send, it's all about the offers where we are going to launch with new products. Okay, so then we do get the updates. Okay, so next we have done with AI tools. So AI is nothing but it's an artificial intelligence for marketing. So what all the tools we have come across? First one is the Chat GPT. So Chat GPT for content. So then we have used with Canva AI for design. Then we have used with AI videos tools we have used. Okay, so this and all it is important. So website creation, why business needs a website, types of website. like WordPress, templates, themes, the pages, what we have learned in the last class.